Ohio researchers say they've figured out how to rescue malfunctioning brain cells. Those researchers at Miami University are using this microscope to examine the brains of mice. And as our Sheena Elzy reports, this work could help find out what causes autism.
We slice the brain into really, really thin slices, right? And then we move those slices into a chamber that has a solution moving through it that kind of replicates the environment that is in the brain.
Sam Brown, a Miami PhD candidate, is one of the researchers who spent months working on it.
We take these really, really tiny glass electrodes and we use like robotic arms to move that electrode into individual neurons to record their electrical activity.
That meticulous process is how he says they found those brain neurons weren't working properly in mice that showed autism-like symptoms, and they noticed something was missing.
These neurons lack the sodium channel, and then they have problems generating this electrical activity that they should be generating.
But Joey Ransdell, researcher and assistant biology professor, says they've figured out how to artificially restore that brain function.
Essentially, we have an electrode poked into the neuron, and that electrode will inject ionic currents or currents that reflect that mathematical model.
He says that means their research could lead to more targeted treatments, not only for autism, but for mental illnesses like bipolar, schizophrenia, and depression. A discovery that could help scientists better understand and someday better treat disorders of the brain in humans. In Oxford, Sheena Elzy, Spectrum News.